So, friends, today we decided to go on a hike and we are going to see a fall. It's called the Foster Fall. And we found that this was supposed to be a beautiful fall, and that's the directions right there. And it tells you exactly which side is the waterfall and which side are the campgrounds. So, we will be going towards the waterfall, which is about zero point 0.4 miles. That is like, I think, about 0.75 kilometers. So almost like a 1 kilometer walk or a hike. So today we will see how the hikes in America are. And yes, guys, they said that this hike is easy to medium level, so it's not supposed to be tough. But let me tell you guys, once I did this hike, it is not easy, it is not medium. This is kind of hike that is probably for experts. And you must be wondering, looking at these kids who are coming, that how come they hiked and came up? I mean, they look all fine, but that's what my question is too. I'm probably, I'm not fit or I'm not used to it. That's what I could say. But let me tell you, even my husband after the hike said that yes, this was not an easy hike. It was difficult and the trail was not well maintained. It was really bad. And he hadn't said so because he was scared that if he commented, I would immediately turn back and return back to the car. So if you're looking at this path and saying that it's easy, just give me a second and I'll show you how the path is and you'll get the shock of your life. So this is the way we need to go. It's like a jungle. ये किस तरह का रास्ता है तो दिखाती हूँ. ये जाने लायक है भी. मैं नहीं जाऊंगी अगर मुझे डर लगा. Oh my god, can you take the camera? I don't want to hold the camera. And you can take the recording. And just be careful.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, hold on. Oh.
Okay, thank you.
We're dying a little bit.
You okay?
Jesus.
Sure.
They might get mad at us. No, they won't get mad for that. We'll get this for
I made it.
Oh my god, where are we going? This is so scary. It's like a jungle, yeah.
So just look at this path. I mean, this is still better. As we go down, you won't even see these wooden planks that they have used as steps. It's just going to be rocks everywhere, and you just have to balance yourself and hope you don't slip on these rocks. And yes, friends, just count how many times I'll be asking my husband, Kitti dure, which means how far is it? He'll say it's just right here. And the best part is we have hardly started. I mean, we are at the starting point. And I start asking this question right here. And from this point on, he'll keep saying, we are almost there. And this is so funny.
Yeah.
Oh my god, let me wear my glasses. तो experts के लिए.
नहीं.
What did they say? Was this trail? What? Oh my god, how far is it? Which side should I go?
So.
You should also go from here. Oh my god. Oh. I think I'll take this path. Maybe I need to tighten up my shoes.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh no.
Yeah.
पहुंच गए.
Yeah, almost. आसपास देखा, आसपास देखा कर, वहीं पर मत देख सर। क्या?
ये कहाँ से जाना है? Oh my God.
Come this way.
There's no way.
This is the way. Hey, go ahead.
Oh my God, that stone is shaking.
हाँ तो छोटा मोटा तो हर चीज़ हिलेगी लाइफ।
Oh, देखा?
नहीं मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
Be
चलो
careful.
हाँ चलो आराम आराम से आ जाओ।
How did you come down?
चलो आते जाओ। हाँ स्टोन के
Where did
ऊपर,
you put your foot?
स्टोन के ऊपर।
इसके ऊपर?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I prefer this. Wrong path, mister.
चलो
How much more? ये भगवान जी। Why did they not make some steps or something?
चलो यहाँ से आ जाओ।
और कितना dangerous है?
बस हो गया।
I want to go back.
इधर है।
So, after walking like what seemed like ages, we finally reached the fall. And though it seemed easy, this is the path that we came from. And as you can see, there are no railings, it's just nature, stones are all around. And if you're good at balancing, you can make it. But if you're somebody like me, then you'll be scared all the way. And now we have to pass through this bridge, and it seems as if it's easy, but let me tell you guys, it's not easy. It's so shaky and dangerous. But since we've come so far, I'm not going to give up. I will make sure that I show you this fall today.
भयंकर रास्ता है, बहुत ही डरावनी। ये ब्रिज भी बहुत डरावनी है, हिल रहा है। वो ऊपर की तरफ जा रहे हैं और नीचे स्लाइड करना है। Oh my God!
स्लाइड नहीं करना। We don't have to slide. Just hold. Come over here. Hold the.
भगवान जी कहाँ आ
Hold
गए?
these and go.
Oh, finally made it. Oh.
Wall, and on the top of the wall you can see the waterfall. That's the fall right there. So for just that little water that's coming out, I had to put my life in danger. और मेरा husband बोल रहा है चुप रह. So he's saying be quiet because he's embarrassed that those guys who think it's a piece of cake, they'll laugh at me. And you should have seen. Even he thinks it's a piece of cake, and I think I put my life on risk. So I don't care. It was scary, but enjoy the view. It's nice. I like it. But the trip was not good.
Oh no, I totally forgot that I have to go back the same way I came. That means, guys, I have to climb this bridge once again, and then I have to go through all that rocky path in the middle of that forest and then reach our car. So I just hope we are able to reach our car safely. And guys, yes, if I upload my next video, you'll know that we reached safely. But if you don't see any next video uploaded, then you're smart enough to guess what exactly happened to us. So, okay, guys, now I'll take your leave. Bye. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so it notifies you when I put in my new video for you to enjoy. Bye.